It was the night before Chinese New Year, and all through the lands, not a creature was stirring except the rat, cat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pretty much every single animal in the land, as they were all preparing for a race. The Jade Emperor, ruler of the heavens, called for all the creatures to participate in a race on his birthday. They decided the people of China needed a way to measure time in 12-year increments. So the first 12 winners of the race would each win the honor of a year named after them. The race would be a long and arduous one, passing through a densely wooded forest and a wide river. Cat and Rat were friends and agreed to win the race together by cleverly asking strong and kind Ox to give them a ride, promising to finish after Ox won. As they were crossing the river, cunning Rat pushed Cat into the water. Then when they neared shore, Rat jumped ahead and won the race. Ox came in a close second. Tiger, king of all creatures in China, struggled with the strong currents, but finally made it across and became the third zodiac sign. Lucky Rabbit hopped across fourth, saying that she found rocks and boulders to take her across the water.
I present to you the fish tasticle. This story takes place in a village in the country of Vietnam. This village is right next to the Indian Ocean.
Kimberly is the accidental child, Cindy is the father, and Aldana is the mother.
There once was a poor family making money off of rice. One day they decided to start and sell fish instead of rice.
We don't have enough money to support ourselves.
Oh, okay, let's go fishing.
They walked to the fish stock and began fishing.
I am gonna catch the biggest fish in the world.